Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It has been a few months since I uploaded something and I'm very sorry for that, but I just didn't have any inspiration, and then I think it's better to not upload at all instead of providing you with bad content. So I saw a few days ago that we hit 50k subscribers on my channel, which makes me super excited. So I was determined to film a new video this weekend. Today's video is a video which was requested many times by you guys over the years and I never filmed it. The video is how I get long natural nails, and I never filmed it not because I didn't want to share my secret, but because I wasn't aware of what I was doing differently than other people, probably to get long natural nails. So I went to a phase where I couldn't grow my nails at all, and I had to think a lot about what am I doing differently until I was able to grow them along again. So in this video I would like to share how I am able to grow my nails. Again, there's no miracle product you can put on your nails and they will grow, but there are things you can change in the way you treat your hands, your nails, to get them longer. So let's get started. In general, I try to maintain 4 steps to get my natural nails long. The first one, which I have always shared with you, is nail care. It is so important to do nail care. And I already uploaded my nail care routine video, which I'm going to link you in the info box below, so make sure to watch it. If you notice that your nails have some kind of rough edges, make sure to immediately get rid of those, because those are the places your nail will tear. So what I'm gonna do, if I notice like there's some not smooth spot, I will file it, and if it's like already broken and I cannot file it, I will fix it. And I also do have a tutorial on that, but basically what you do is take off the polish, file the part where your nail is broken a bit smooth, so with a nail buffer is enough. Then add some nail glue, a piece of tissue paper, another layer of nail glue, file it down, and you're done. So this is like my first main tip. If you don't take care of your nails, they won't grow. And if you don't fix any breakage you might have right away, they will break, because at some point they will like get stuck on your clothing or somewhere and they will tear. The next step goes a little bit into the first step. After doing the nail care, make sure to always wear nail polish. I cannot say that enough. Some people tell me, yeah Sarah, you do have like very strong nails. That's actually not true. They're pretty bendy and they're not that strong. But since I'm wearing like base coat, 2 coats of nail polish and a top coat all the time, of course they will be stronger because you have those extra layers on your hands. So that's something which is so important for me, to always wear nail polish. This is something I was always aware about. So I did my nail care, but they still wouldn't grow. So in 2015 I moved out and I had to do my laundry myself. I had to do all the cleaning myself, and this had a huge impact on my nail growth, and I wasn't able to grow them anymore. What I try to do is wear gloves, but I really often forget to wear gloves when I'm cleaning, so I didn't do that anymore, so my nails would just not grow. Obviously for the majority part of dishes I use a dishwasher. There are just some stuff I wash by hand, and what I used to do was I would like spend a lot of time at the sink and would wash it, so my nails would be exposed to the water for a long time, which had a negative effect on my nails. What I'm doing now is like every morning before going to work, I just wash my dishes for like 2 minutes, like just like a few things, so my nails are never exposed to a lot of water, and I basically do the dishes every morning, and that helped a lot. So prevent exposing your nails to water a long time, and that will certainly help. And if you need to, like if you are a mom and you have kids and you cannot do it like I'm doing, then make sure to wear gloves. That will help a lot too. What I also noticed, what didn't work for me at all, is working with gel. Maybe it's because I'm just not a pro and I did it wrong, I don't know, but after removing gel, my nails would always be weaker than before. So I went back to nail polish, and that helps me grow my nails so much more. And that doesn't mean I don't like gel or I'm never gonna use gel again, but I'm just taking a break off of it. Here you have it, my advice to grow a long natural nail. First of all, always take care of your nail care routine. Second of all, always wear polish, and I actually do recommend to also put a color on it, because if I just put a base coat and top coat, I feel like it peels off so much faster than when I have a solid color on it. I don't know why it is. Anyways, the third advice is to not expose your hands to water for a long time when cleaning, and wear gloves if you have to expose your hands to water for a long time. And the fourth advice is to work with nail polish to grow your nails. So yeah, there is no miracle cure, and I think a lot of the things I mentioned are a bit common sense, but this is how it works for me. This is how I got my nails long again. I know they're not crazy long as they used to be, but actually I'm not into that anymore. So for me, this length is perfect, and those are long nails for me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel and helping me make it to 50,000 subscribers, and in total over 5 million views, which is just amazing and motivating. And I will see you very soon in my next video. The sun is getting crazy. Bye!